There is a fundamental counting rule, and it says if you've got m ways you can do something, and then you've got n ways you can do something else, to figure out your total number of possibilities, you multiply them together, m times n. So if you had 3 shirts and 2 pair of pants, you would have a total of 6 outfits. So in this problem, we want a 4-person task force, 4-person, and we have 4 men, and we have 3 women, and you want 2 men and 2 women on the task force. Now, there's something called a combination. And there's combinations and permutations. And combinations are where order doesn't matter. For example, if you choose Sue, you reach in and you grab Sue and Bob, that's the same thing as Bob and Sue. So this is a combination problem. And what you have, and I'll show you the formula in a minute. So let's say you got 4 men to choose from, and you want 2 of them. How many different ways can you choose 2 people out of 4? And then you want 3. You've got 3 women to choose from. You've got 3 women, and you want to figure out how many ways you can choose 2 of them. So the formula for a combination is, if you've got combination m choose n, it's m factorial over m minus n factorial times n factorial. So I'll tell you what factorial is. Like 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So combination 4 choose 2, that's 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 4 minus 2 factorial. And then combination 3 choose 2, that's 3 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 minus 2 factorial. So 4 factorial, that's 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, but I don't write the 1. And then you've got a 2 factorial and a 2 factorial. And then 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And a 2 factorial is 2 times 1, or just 2. And then 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial, which is 1. So you're multiplying these together. So you've got 4 times 3 times 2 over 2 times 2, because 2 factorial, each one of those is 2 times 1. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now we'll cancel there. And then you've got a 3 times a 2 over a 2. And all these dots are times, okay? Those 2's cancel. So you're left with 3 times 2 is 6 times 3 is 18. So you got 18 possible ways.